To do a single crochet, we're going to start off by making a slip knot. If you need review on how to do a slip knot, please go back to my previous video and watch it again. Here I made a slip knot. The first thing we have to do is make a chain stitch. To make a chain stitch, you take your yarn, your working yarn that's still attached to your skein, and wrap it around the hook. Take your hook, I twist mine upside down and pull it through the loop. Again, you're going to wrap your working yarn. I twist my hook, pull it through the loop, kind of at an angle there, as you can see, and pull it through. Now you have a little loop. As you continue to do this, you're just going to keep on doing the same stitch over and over. This is what the base of your project will work on. And when you're done, it'll start looking like a braid. Depending on the size of your hook and yarn, it could be big or small. And that is how you do a chain stitch. Now, because you have your base, the chain stitch done, see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 10 chains. I'm going to add one more so I can do 10 stitches as a whole. So when you do a single crochet, you're always going to add at least one more chain to your working base, because you can't really crochet into that first chain stitch. You have to go into the second one. So if you can see here, it looks like a braid or a V. You're going to take your crochet hook and put it through the middle of that V. You're going to grab the yarn and pull it through. So now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over. Again, I flip it, I twist it down and pull it through. You're going to kind of go at an angle here, pull it through both loops, and you just made a single crochet. Again, get some more yarn out here for a sec. Again, you're going to take your crochet hook, put it through the middle of that V, and my crochet hook, I'm sorry, my nose is itching tonight. You're going to grab, my crochet hook is already pointing down, so it grabs that yarn instantly as I pull it through the middle of that chain stitch. You're going to go yarn over, flip it down, and pull it through. Again, you're going to push the crochet hook through, so now it's facing down. Grab that yarn and pull it through, so now you have 2 loops. Yarn over, twist, and bring it down, and bring it out, I'm sorry. Again, a little faster push, grab and pull through, yarn over and over. And I'm going to keep on going till the very end. I'll see you at the end, and then we'll start with row 2. All right, if you need to, you can always pause the video and go back and work what you need to, because you should learn at your own pace. Don't feel like you are rushed. Practice makes perfect. It makes improvements, I should say. Just keep practicing and do what you can. So in order to start a second row, you're going to chain 1, so you're going to yarn over and pull it through the loop. And then you're going to do what we call turn the project. So here, in order for us to continue, you just have to flip it 180. So now This is the wrong side. We call it the wrong side. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side because it has a different look to it, as you can see. So now you have the wrong side facing you, and as you can see, there's a braid on top of the stitches, the single crochet stitches. So what you are going to do is you're going to take your crochet hook, and I need more yarn. You're going to take your crochet hook, and you can see, I'm going to try and zoom it up, bring it up a little closer. See those little holes there? That's where your crochet hook is going to go. You're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to push it through underneath the V or the braid. And same thing, you're going to grab the yarn, pull it through. Now you have 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Again, you're going to push through, so over underneath the V or the braid, grab the yarn, pull it through. You have 2 loops now. Yarn over and pull through. Again, you're going to push through, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over and pull through. And you just keep on going. And just like that, I am at the end of the row. I have 10 stitches. Here's how you can know you have 10 stitches. So at the top, like I mentioned, you have a braid at the top. So how do you know you have 10 stitches? You count the braid. How many V's? How many V's do you have? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 10. This loop does not count. So I have 10 stitches as a whole. So there's the front of it right here and the back. Be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos.